Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the background on Microsoft To Do. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to to-do.office.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your task lists and can customize your workspace exactly how you want it. After logging in, you'll land on your main To Do dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left side of your screen where all your task lists are displayed. Click on any list you'd like to customize. This could be your daily tasks, work projects, or any other list you've created. Selecting a list is important because the theme change will apply specifically to that list, allowing you to differentiate between different projects or categories visually. Once you've opened your chosen list, look at the top of the screen right beside the list name. You'll notice a 3 dots icon, which represents the menu options for that specific list. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various customization and management options. From the menu that appears, you'll see several options for managing your list. Look for and click on Change Theme. This option is specifically designed to let you personalize the visual appearance of your task list, making it more enjoyable and easier to distinguish from your other lists at a glance. Now you'll see a selection of different background colors and themes available for your list. Take a moment to browse through the options and find one that suits your preference or matches the purpose of the list. Once you've found the color or theme you like, simply click on it. The change will apply immediately to your list, giving it a fresh new look that can help boost your productivity and make organizing tasks more visually appealing. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Microsoft To-Do list with a new background theme, making your workspace more personalized and visually organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.